It's without the picture. Okay? So we're crossing off that part. Now, the problem kids have been having with this is they get confused on how to pick the denominator. We've used this T-chart that's sideways, haven't we?
Yeah.
Called it a stick sword, right? Yeah. Okay. And we've also multiplied the denominator, okay? So I'm going to start calling those two different things, all right? This is the normal way, where you multiply the denominator. It's the easiest way, and it's the way we're going to choose when we can. We're calling it option 1, okay? That's what we do when we can, because it's the easiest. We can do the crisscross, top, down, bottom, up, and solve it quickly, okay? So that's option 1. We're going to practice that a couple times, okay? Then we're going to go and we're going to practice option 2, because option 2 is the one you will use most in your life, okay? And that's with the T-chart, all right? So let's practice option 1. What am I doing? Rewriting the problem with no numbers, okay? And how am I picking this denominator?
You multiply 3.
You multiply 3 times 2. And whenever you see me with this little V and the answer there,
Means you multiply.
that's right. And that would be option 1. We'll choose that every time we can, okay? Problem is, in the real world, we don't get to choose that all the time. So then I'm going to multiply 2 times 2.
4.
And 3 times 1.
3.
And that gives me
7.
Now, here's something pretty important in the directions. It says write your answer as a mixed number. So 7/6 is an improper fraction. Okay? So what would it look like if I take out 1 whole?
1.
It would be 6/6, right?
Yeah.
But that's equal to 1 whole. Make it a nice big 1, the same size as your fraction. Okay? And then what's 7 minus 6?
1. 6.
Okay? So the answer to this is 1 1/6. And I've had kids getting lazy. You know I'm grading about 70 papers a day. Please circle your final answer so I can find it faster. Okay? All right. So what I want to do now is I want you to try this one on your own. See if you get the right answer, and I'm going to pause it while you work on it. Okay? Kendall is in Mrs. Brummett's class.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Uh-huh.